AR View Navigation. AR View Navigation, available in the new GV70, is an advanced technology that overlays augmented reality graphics on the real-time front view video from the front view camera, providing intuitive and realistic route guidance to the driver. To activate AR View Navigation, select the compass-shaped icon on the top left of the map screen and then select AR. By selecting the AR guidance near Maneuvers, Turns option, you can set the route guidance to stay on a normal map view and automatically switch to the AR view when needed. You can use the setting menu on the infotainment system to activate or deactivate various types of information provided by AR View Navigation, as well as the AR guidance near Maneuvers, Turns option. Select Menu on the bottom left of the map screen. Then select Navigation Settings, then Display, then Map, then AR View Display. Dynamic Wall is useful when a more clear and visual route guidance is necessary at sections like junctions. Warning graphics for lane departure, forward collision, and overspeed are also displayed with the AR technology to provide more clear warning. Distance to the vehicle ahead while Smart Cruise Control is operating is also displayed with more visual and dimensional graphics. AR graphics also provide more visual alerts when the front vehicle departs or when the destination or a waypoint is nearby.
Thank you.